All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrencies, things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Hamster Coin. Yep, this coin shot up huge. It's been up huge in the last 7 days. Elon Musk did a little talking tweet about it, and shwam, the thing is going bonkers. So we're going to go over to Hamster Coin's website, their Twitter account, do a little price prediction, check everything out, what's going on with Hamster Coin. And they're saying that by the year 2025, that Bitcoin could be worth $1 million. I don't know about that. That's one's tough to buy into, but I'm going to go to an article that says it's going to be $1 million by 2025. Makes us all want to just go get one Bitcoin in place, and then in 3 years we're millionaires. And we're going to talk about spooked beans. Spooked beans get 8% a day. One of these miners, a 6-in-1. We're going to kind of go over that, all kinds of good stuff. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Hamster coin, let's go. All right, so Hamster Coin is ranked 857. Take a look at this, up 46% in the last 7 days. Ding, ding, ding. Awesome stuff. Hamster Coin moving up the charts. I think the last time I talked about them, they were around 3,000. They're already in the top 1,000. Pretty good. Up 11% today. Clicking it. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. Look at all those zeros. 8 zeros. And a 60-14, up 11% today. Let's take a look at this. So there's the today chart, but let's take a look at the 7 days. There, look at that. Wham! Let's go up to the mountain. I mean, it's not even, it's just like straight up north. Boom. So Elon Musk does a tweet, talks about Hamster Coin, and shwam, things are going real good. Going over to the Twitter account. All right, right here. Keep the wheel spinning. Hamster and cheese, hamster coin, hamster ecosystem. So right there, hamster with the Tesla. Take a look at that hamster coin 16 hours ago. It says, all right, get the wheel spinning. Hamster coin trends after Elon Musk gives a shout out at the Tesla event. Yeah, this kind of thing right here. Hamster with their logo and stuff like that. Yeah, it can make it happen. Now, here's some other good news. Real-time top 10 coins by Galaxy Score. So take a look at the top 10, and our best little friend right here, Hamster's right there. So there you go. So Luna Crush, top 10 coins. And there's our hamster right there. It is. Top 10 coins is the hamster. I'm liking that. All right, with the highest bullish statement, here we go. Top BNC chains with the highest bullish sentiment. And take a look over here. We got hamster right there at 3.2. See it right there by my thing, 3.2. Pancake Swap's really big up there, 55,000. Baby Dogecoin, 22. Well, we got the hamster right there. So some good stuff going on. And look, you got hamster over there in the awards. You get the little hamster right there. All right, going over to the website. Hamster coin, do you want financial freedom and not be affected by the negative causes by market fluctuations? Become part of the community. Join us today. Launch the app. What about us? So our story, Hamster Token, is a decentralized meme token which was created on the BSC network. The special feature was distinguished it as one of other meme tokens in the market. It is more powerful and secure. All right, our mission. The purpose of the Hamster Coin is to be a token that can be used globally with vision to see Hamster Token all over the exchange platforms. Hamster Token firstly has been successfully listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. The Hamster Coin team are continuously negatively with exchange platforms and other business partners in order to benefit you, our loyal holders. Hamster coins that are unlocked within certain periods of 50% of the supply will be burned, and 50% of the supply for a pancake swap. So you kind of knew that. How to buy the hamster coin, go to Pancake Swap, choose your crypto wallet, choose what you want to swap, and confirm the swap. Hamster coin. Yep, maximum supply, a lot of maximum supply right there. The advantages is transparency and community. Elon Musk keeps tweeting about the hamster He kind of puts it on the map, makes a thing, and bam, it goes up 45% in 7 days. That's a lot, everybody. So, all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, how about Bitcoin going to 1 million? That one's a tough one to buy into. I mean, because Bitcoin going to 200,000 would be a tough one. But we got an article that says Bitcoin's going to go to 1 million. I always say don't believe everything you read on the internet. This one's tough for me. Give us your comments in the bottom. Do you think it's going to go to 1 million? All right, Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million. CoinDesk editor predicts. As investor interest in cryptocurrency spikes, Bitcoin could raise to $1 million over the next 5 years. Holy cow, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million a coin. CoinDesk editor said. Actually believe that it will happen at some stage. I don't know. It's hard for me to believe that. I mean, I believe 100,000 and maybe even 200,000, maybe, but 1 million. The timing of Bitcoin cross 1 million is being questioned. Leach said the next Bitcoin halving, a key technical event when the amount of Bitcoin awarded to the miners is cut in half. So when that's cut in half in 2024, this will trigger a massive price surge. So we know that Bitcoin is going to go up in 2024. Happens to be 2022. Can you buy your Bitcoin and let it sit there for 2 years? Are you that type of investor? You have to ask yourself that. Do all your own homework. All my information is for educational purposes only. The year after halving always seems to create a huge risk, a huge rise. That was what we're seeing now. The last halving for Bitcoin was in 2020, and so far this year we're seeing the price explode. I don't know when Bitcoin will cost 1 million, but it will be likely in the year 2025. Bitcoin market cap is currently at more than 1 trillion, and it's about to double at the start of the, and it just doubled by the start of the year. So I don't know how you guys feel about this. Let us know here. Let's see what he's saying.
People are making money right now in these decentralized applications. They're run by smart contracts. There is some degree of autonomy about these things. They're not run by these third parties that can disappear. So yeah, it's definitely an interesting one, and to a traditional financial person like Berkshire Hathaway people, I can understand why it's so scary.
When you take a look at Ethereum, Ether versus Bitcoin, what's the better bet, do you think, for the long run?
Oh, that's a good question. Long term, I think with the halving coming up in 2024 and the year after, that always seems to do very, very well for Bitcoin. I think estimations of Bitcoin going to $1 million a coin, I actually believe that it will at some stage with just the scarcity aspect.
Did you hear it? He actually believes it's going to go to 1 million. This could change your how you're going to look at Bitcoin if you think it's going to go to 1 million. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, let's go to a crypto project that's going on right now, Spooked Beans. I launched about 3 or 4 days ago. We're going to be claiming some money on Sunday, 6-in-1 miner. Let's go check it out, everybody. All right, we're over here at Spooked Beans, the FTM reward pool with the spookiest daily reward and the lowest dev fee. All right, so there's already 794,000 of these FTMs. And I think FTM is roughly about $1.30. So let's just go with the $1.30. So if there's $1.30, let's see how much money is locked up in this contract. All right, times the $1.30. This project hasn't even been out for a week. Oh, there's already $1 million in there. Already $1 million in there. Okay, so they pay out 8% daily. APR is 29.20. The dev fee is 2%. Tokenomics, that's a 2%, the lowest of any miner. So we talk about miners on this channel. 1% dev fee, 1% fee goes to the rug insurance, the free rugged souls. Rewards can be invested and withdrawn daily to ensure the maximum reward of 8%. We recommend the following strategy. Respook for 6 days and then harvest for 1. These miners are 6-in-1s. If everybody claimed every day, the money would run out really quickly. The way that these projects can have longevity is as a community, or like they say a lot of these followings have like a cult-like mentality, because we're all working together to compound that money, respook that money for 6 days. So here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all those days you put the money back into the contract. You compound it, you compound it, you compound it. On Sunday you eat. On Sunday you harvest. So on Sunday you take that money and you put it back in your MetaMask. This strategy has been battle tested and proven to maximize returns for both the short and long-term game. Please note, you can now unstake. You cannot unstake any of your money. You can only withdraw the earnings. So, yep, we got the spooked. Take a look at it. We got the spooked beans. And for this, let's go ahead and put this in here. We got 9 of these real quick. Watch how easy this is. We go to respook it, come over to our MetaMask, drop the 9 in there. 9 times $1, it'll be $9. So it's about 12, 13 bucks. We're putting it back in there, and it's going up here around and around. Sometimes you got to refresh it. Sometimes it if these buttons pop, then all of a sudden that 9's gone, but it takes a second to kind of do it. Okay, so it popped. Let's go ahead and refresh it. And there's still 10 there, so it hasn't quite got there yet. It's there. Let's try it now. All right, notice that the 10's gone. And a 946 went to 96.46. So we got about 200 more beans. So check this out. Do your own homework. This is one of the crypto projects I'm playing with. What did I put into this? I put 500 FTMs in here. So I got 500 FTMs. Key is to get in when it launches. The earlier you're in, the better. So it's still going to make money, but the earlier you can get in, the better on these projects. Just again, because again, the contract money is going to be coming out of it. So if you get in early, you know, if you have 4 weeks before you get in, there's already 4 weeks of money you can take on Sunday. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, Hamster Coin. Let's go back over there for a little price prediction. All right, back over here at Hamster. Transparent community. They have trust. They have longevity. The exchanges that they're on is xxt.com, PancakeSwap, MEXC Global, Hotbit, LA Token, LBANK info. So you got all kinds of good things going on over here. PancakeSwap. So you can get all these your Hamster coin on those exchanges. What kind of price prediction are we gonna say here? I don't know. It's hard when the coin's up 45%. Keep an eye on it. The coin's jumping. Definitely when the tweets happen, you know it's gonna go up. You may want to have your stuff already stashed in your account for when it happens, but my price prediction is to keep your eyes on it because the coin is up right this second. Would I put money in right now while it's going up? I don't know if it would dip a little bit. It's all up to you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Click over here so you can see our most recent video. And click over here to learn about Drip Network, 1% a day, 365, or My Diamond Team, 1.5% a day. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Hamster Coin. Elon Musk keeps talking about it. Must like this cryptocurrency. Spooked Beans, pretty good crypto project. And Bitcoin going to $1 million. If it goes to $1 million in 3 years from now, you're all going to kick yourself and be like, oh my God, I should have got a Bitcoin. I don't know. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow.